Welcome to Home Buying Made Easy, the podcast where we pull back the curtain on mortgages, real estate, and everything the big banks hope you never figure out. I'm Rachel, co-host and producer of the show. Let's get to it.
Welcome to Home Buying Made Easy. I'm Michael, and I have my handy dandy assistant,
Rachel,
with me. And Rachel is still holding on to 23. She's 23 years old. I did know that. And she is barely 23 because in a few weeks, maybe, a little bit over a few weeks, maybe a month, then a few weeks.
Yeah.
She will be turning 24. Then she's only 1 year away from lower insurance rates.
What?
When you're 25, you get lower insurance rates.
Oh, yes.
Car insurance.
That's
you get
true.
lower car insurance.
Save some money.
Save a little money.
But yes, I am almost 24 years old.
Yep. So today is Mythbuster Monday.
Mm-hmm.
And with it being Mythbuster Monday, that means somebody lied to somebody.
Yeah. It's unfortunate. But they want to know the truth. So
what is the lie that we can debunk, defund,
yes,
discombobulate?
Okay, yeah, all the things. We are doing a question kind of from someone said closing old credit cards before applying for a new loan will help your score. Is that true? Is it false?
That is definitely a bad idea. It is bad to do anything with your credit when you're getting ready to do a mortgage. Especially that. That's actually false. Like, that is a full-blown lie, because if you close old credit cards, you are changing the age of your credit profile. If you change it, let's say you have a card that you've had for 20 years, and then most of your other credit is only 1 year old. Your credit profile will change drastically if you were to close that card. So I don't know. Please do not close any cards. You don't close any cards. If you want to do anything, pay them down.
Yeah. You
can pay your cards down if you have the money.
Yeah.
That would help.
Don't close them.
But don't close them and don't pay them off.
Yeah.
Like, if you got money on them, at least leave $10 on it. Don't pay them off.
Yeah.
Changes your credit profile.
It's true.
Negatively.
It's true.
Don't do it.
Bad idea.
That's a very bad idea. Don't do it. And I know this is like super fast. It's like, don't do it. We'll see you next time on Home Buying Made Easy, because don't do it. Please reach out. You want to ask questions? Ask. I'll gladly answer any questions. Anything you have. See you next time.
That's a wrap on today's episode of Home Buying Made Easy. If something we covered today helped you see things differently, share this episode with one person who needs to hear it. You might just change their financial future. If you're ready to take your next step, our team is standing by. Call or text us directly at 615-499-6335. You can also reach us at michael@dendyteam.com or use the link in the show notes below. New episodes drop every Monday and Friday. Hit subscribe so you're always first in line. And if this show has brought you value, a 5-star review takes 30 seconds or less and helps more people find us. From our team to you, let's make home buying easy.